Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well, guys, where there is sometimes the problem that IELTS people don't give good bench score. In IELTS, it is difficult to achieve good bench score. Deliberately, IDP, British Council, Cambridge University, they are reducing the bench score of the students and all that. We have some students who achieve high bench score, and this is how we come to know that it's not always true that IELTS people don't give bench score. Yes, you have to work hard to get your desired band. So is the case with one of my Indian students from Patiala, Indian Punjab, who got this wonderful bench score. Well, his name is Angad Paul Singh. I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name. Angad Paul Singh. Angad Paul Singh is from Patiala, Indian Punjab. He watched my videos. Now again, I tell you, sometimes we often blame. We blame lack of resources. We blame lack of funds. The people who are failures, they always blame. And the people who become successful, they don't blame anything. They create their own opportunities and they get everything in life. So, Angad Paul Singh is one of the students who did not blame anything. He watched my videos on YouTube regularly and carefully. And after watching my videos in IELTS listening, he achieved 9 band, guys, 9. See that? Listening 9. 9 band means either 40 by 40 or 39 by 40. Now Angad Pal has given us this hope that one can reach 9 band in IELTS listening, no problem. And he followed my videos. He belongs to Patiala, Indian Punjab. Keep that in mind. Reading. Okay, reading he achieved 8.5. Very, very good band. Speaking 7. Writing 7, and overall band score is 8. You know, we need to take positive vibes from others. So I have made this video, rather I have dedicated this video to Angad Paul Singh. Alright, but through Angad Paul Singh, I want to show you all that this is possible. From this video, you need to capture some positive vibes, and these positive vibes will help you achieve your desired bench score. Okay, if Angad Paul can do it, you can do it. Any human being can do it, provided you are willing. It is said in English, you can do anything in life if you are willing to pay the price. So the price of this high band score, 9 in listening, 8.5 in reading, 7 in speaking, 7 in writing, the price of this band score is dedication, hard work, commitment, continuity. So once you pay this price, this is the currency in which you need to pay the price. Hard work is the currency in which you pay the price of success. Right? So if you're willing to pay the price, you can achieve anything. These people are like you. I mean, who knows, next video is going to be yours. I'll be sitting here dedicating you a video on your success, right? So get ready for that. All the best, guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.